Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be installing some grab handles on my 2020 JLUR. If you're new here, welcome to the channel and don't forget to subscribe. So there are a total of 4 in the box. There's 2 shorter ones for the front and 2 longer ones for the rear. And that's pretty much all you need. The existing hardware that should line up with the brackets is what you're going to be using for these to hold on to. So it's pretty plain and simple. I'll leave a link down below if you like the same set from Amazon. It was fairly cheap. I believe I spent only $30, somewhere around there, for this set. So all right, let's go ahead and get it installed. Now that we got our freedom panels removed, let's go ahead and remove these 2 bolts. There is one right here and one right here. They are T25. We'll go ahead and get those removed right now. All right, now that we got the 2 bolts removed, let's go ahead and install the grab handle. Obviously, I'm probably not going to be using it on this side. Maybe when the Jeep is lifted, I might use this to get in a little bit easier. But the passengers are definitely going to need this because they like to grab something, you know. So let's go ahead and get these installed. All right, now pretty much you just do what you did on this side on the other side. So let's go ahead and install the rears now. And we shouldn't have to remove our freedom panel or top from the rear to install these. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, like what we did in the front, got to do in the back. So we just got to remove these 2 bolts right up here. And like I said at the beginning, we want to use the longer ones for the rear. So let's go ahead and get that installed right now. All right, now that we have the 2 bolts removed, we could go ahead and install the rear grab handles. Like I said, the longer ones are for the rear. All right, now that we got this rear one installed, we just got to do it on the other side. So this is with it installed. It's actually pretty sturdy. The only critique I got, obviously, you know, over time, that might wear down the paint. But at the end of the day, it's also a Jeep, so it's gonna get scratched up. So, but as far as it being secure, I would say that's pretty secure, you know, because most of the time someone's just grabbing onto this while you're off-roading. It's not like it's gonna get a bunch of weight on it. But at the same time, someone might use it just to get propped up inside. But they also got this one as well. So I would say that this is a win. For 30, maybe 40 bucks, definitely worth it. So that is it. Got the grab handles installed. Now we could go off-roading safely with our passengers because they have something to grab onto closer to them. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. You can check me out on Instagram at 4Wheel Adventure. I'll leave it in the description below. Now I'm going to go home and cook some good breakfast. Thanks for watching.